Viewers and subscribers, you don't know what I mean. One Love Africa. They are at the hub. We're at the hub. That's where they're right now. The HQ hub with Jam Tours Africa. Same there.
Yeah man, we're there. So we're there. All the reason I do some work. I actually did some video. I do my other work otherwise.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's just like a man cave office this.
Yeah man.
But the Airbnb is there, family. Nobody not there now. I want to come through. Everything all over the place.
Yeah, cause we are clean up right now.
Yeah.
So we're there clean up and we have all the reason. So we are watching news, we are watching the program we're going. Cause you know we are there in Jamaica, don't we? We're there in Africa. We're not in Jamaica right now. But we are yardy. Over there in Africa we are talking about development and something come across the TV channel and one of the YouTube bloggers page.
Birth rate.
Yeah, they're talking about the birth rate in Jamaica. So the birth rate drop. So Jamaican birth rate drop. Years to come, Jamaicans gonna be like Chinese. You must see, the man might drink rum and boom. Too much rum and boom. Too much rum and boom.
Yeah.
That weak the balls.
So they are slow. Wait a second. Wait.
Now what you think about it? What you think about it?
No, what you said before. Remember I said something?
Yeah.
So
alright.
And that's how we have built the argument.
What may I say now?
Yeah.
May I say, a lot of people in Jamaica right now, because the woman them don't want to get pregnant. The birth rate is dropped right now. It's not the same. It dropped. So less percentage of people get pregnant in Jamaica. That means the less youth produce in Jamaica. You can't blame the people because people are suffer like dog, you know, man. People are suffer, you understand? Yo, you're rough and hard, you know. Me not tell you lies.
What slogan I said people, I said, yo, all them do a road and them not build no business or nothing for the people them. So people don't want to give birth because them can't manage to actually raise a kid right in our family.
Yes.
So slogan I say, yo, John no star, when they build all them big road and big highway, foreign investor come over now, come buy up, build up 4 hotels, build up this, build up that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the Jamaican government just focusing on the road. Yeah. You understand? And that can't do it. Because I'm telling the people, a yard me come from, a yard Jamtown come from. And I can tell you, the government for Jamaica will be a road on a focus on. We need to build up more business places, more hotels, malls and stuff like that. Which is we already have a lot of hotels and malls, but more is the better. Give people work to do.
Yeah, give them work to do, yeah.
I can't expect people to get pregnant and bring child, a stressful time. Yeah, then it's hard time. Yo, Jamaica expensive, Yo, you know how much one bread? One whole loaf of bread at Jamaica. Up to 600 Jamaican dollar. That's about 600
shillings.
600 Kenyan shillings. Alright, watch it now.
Yeah.
When we used to the yard, we used to buy cornflakes too.
Yeah,
red and white. The people, you know how much one box of cornflakes in Jamaica? Because a lot of you guys are out of the country for so long, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years out of Jamaica. And me can tell you, say, yo, cornflakes in Jamaica, about what, 7 bills now? About 7 bills right now. It could be more, 600. I have a son, big up Kaim Rikai Griffiths. I have a son in Jamaica. And he's going to Ocher's primary. My baby mother tell me, say, the price for a small box full of Jamaica of 900.
No, you're lying down. You look small, look when it's going to drop $50 down.
$400.
You look small.
Yeah, dog. Yo, viewers.
Look a small box, them like about this size, dog, and it full. You know, look a small box.
Yeah, me not talk about the curry box, the Kafun box, the small one.
What's the big regular box here?
No, man, yo, the Bills box.
There's 3 boxes in Jamaica, fam.
Yeah.
3 lunch box. Alright, the big one, they give different compartments.
That's the curry box.
Yeah, different compartment. Then you have another long one. Then you can have the rice and chicken at the side.
Yeah. And
then you have a smaller one, family. You know what I mean? A smaller one.
Oh yeah, that one, the smaller one of 6 bills, sorry, 600. Still bad.
That's still bad.
Alright, viewers.
Yeah, man.
My bad. The smaller one of 600.
Of 900.
The big one, the curry goat one?
Yeah.
900 and maybe more me here. Me say fried chicken. No, me say the fried chicken I feel like 8 bills are 900 for fried chicken. So you know the curry goat have more money.
Yeah man, I have 12 bills.
Yo, one oxtail box, double box. Oxtail me I tell you about. You know oxtail people right, cowtail. One oxtail meal at Jamaica, I think at 2,500 or 2,000. Man, I think a joke me I make about 18 bills to 2,000 and some place at 2,005. oxtail. And the 18 bills are the street corner price. So anyone who come from Jamaica and who live a foreign, whether in the USA or the UK or Canada or Germany or anywhere, if you're watching this, ask your relatives. Alright, every December, people who live a foreign send money to give to their people in Jamaica in December. You know how much Western Union take if you send $100, if you try to send $100 for anywhere, then take like what 3% or something like that. Yeah. You remember, but then take a whole heap of money. So imagine you send barrel to Jamaica, yo, and you have a clear barrel of waff. Jamaica too expensive. So if you see the birth rate is dropping, that means people do not want to get pregnant. Women don't want to get pregnant. Man don't want a picnic, and enough man don't want one jacket at them time, you know. Because a man don't want mine want a fame. You see it? And if a man even have a youth, and him say, wait times hard, he might left him youth. You understand? Because your man in Jamaica will fight for them kids, you know. I have some man who just left them picnic. I don't know how some man do it, but I saw them do it because sometimes the woman them stressing. And because the situation set up a yard, it's me as a jam tour.
Yeah, man,
it's expensive, man. Yeah, man. One box of Huggies.
Let me tell you, because I have 2 youth that grow right now.
This is only about 10.
Let me tell you how much you pay. I pay like 1,500 Kenyan shillings for like our packs.
For a pack.
Like maybe 50 or
yeah.
Or something like that.
For a pack.
Yeah.
Alright. And I'm serving an oxtail over here, you can't get under 1,000.
What about the Pampers? The thing you say? What should the Pampers you say?
The Pampers, Huggies, and one name, you have a brand name Pampers.
Yeah, Pampers.
And a brand name Huggies.
Yeah.
I don't remember, you know, because through me there Jamaica for so long, but me used to expensive though, for a pack. Because me used to buy a pack for like 2,000 or 900 piece small pack, and like 2,000 for the medium pack. You understand? But I don't match have a show and say that before, right now everything way sky high. So over here so it's way cheaper when you check the ratio. You see me I say? Even bus fare. If you want to drive, or if you drive from downtown to Half a Tree, I think you pay like 200 per person.
Yeah.
On a bus. So it could be more. That's the last price of me know about.
Yeah.
You understand? So it could be more by now. And sometimes the bus is not even safe. When you come off of the bus, people are target you. People are target your pocket. When you walk through the crowd, there's some people a yard. Them skill. Not even Satan skill like them. When they walk past you, your pocket empty. Everything empty. Your bag empty. Them not have to look upon you. Then just blow upon you and your pocket empty. So over here, so you come off of the bus, it's safe. Everywhere is dangerous, but at least you're more safer and you have less stress and things to worry about when you're over here, so you understand? So what I'm trying to say, the government need to put in better things in place a yard. So if you want the birth rate go up, cost of living have to be better. Because people can't have kids in this hard time and think that they will feel good and feel satisfied. Nah, go work. You see me I say? So people, yard man, yard woman, me not tell us if you go breed up and or get pregnant or have kids here, child there, and everywhere, because to maintain family, it take a lot of hard work, dedication, attention, and trust me, you have a stability. If you're not stable, you can't look for kids in this time. So make sure you put in all of these things in place, because when you have a daughter or a son, they're going to need them both parents, mother and father. And sometimes the father is not there, and sometimes the mother is not there, and sometimes the grandparents is not there either to help you guys out. So you got to know what you're doing before you even think about having kids in Jamaica or overall in the world. But Jamaica is a tough place. So the government, you're complaining about birth rate. You need to fix the problem first.
Yeah, man, that's what they do. They complain about because they see
this what go on.
Population as, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Lower down.
You can benefit from taxation and all kind of things. So when the birth rate drop, you don't know, say, yo, you know what I mean? You have no person to pay a tax.
True.
You know what I mean?
True.
So all of these things, so that's the reason why they might worry about it and say, yo, birth rate are drop and
yes. Yes. That's what gone. Yeah. You watch the birth rate. You know, watch the birth rate, man. The next thing to more talk about the government, they need to fix the crime that's going on in the country. But the crime rate is sky high. You know, the country is already equipped for the commodity technology. You have no reason to say you can't catch crime nowadays, because cameras is in the stoplights, the street lights, cameras on the road, cameras everywhere, technology, everyone is using phone, everyone is online. It's easy to track criminals, it's easy to track people, because they're acting like they're not using the cameras on our phone. Tap in. If you want to know if they're watching you, just put a light. You see this phone? My phone. Show you something. Just see this camera, front camera? Just put a tape over it. You know how many pictures that phone take off you each day when you use that phone? Just to use your data, or just to use your picture, your image in case anything. You can't do nothing nowadays and get away. If you get away, they want you to get away. Don't let them trick you. Don't let the system trick you. They're watching you. They've been watching us. So there's no way you said I can't catch crime. Straight up. So anyways, you don't know something there, you know. I One Love Africa, but I tell the people if you like, subscribe and share. And Jam Tour Africa is here. So go on Jam Tour page, like, subscribe and share. And the PayPal is there in case you don't want to drop like a donation. It's there. If you don't want to drop, it's okay. But share the channel and make others can see what go on. And this is just my views and my perspective of yard. Mr. Government, you want the birth rate to go up, fix the crisis that's going on in the country, and then you get more women pregnant these days.
Fix the work rate.
Fix the work rate, for real man.
And start watch the birth rate.
Yeah, listen, fix the work rate.
And start watch the birth rate.
I mean, straight up. And that's Jam Tours.
Yeah man, big up family, One Love Jam.
One Love.
And you guys, you know, you guys are come to Kenya and are looking for, like, you know what I mean, you're looking for a guidance.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
And the Airbnb, we have the Airbnb right here.
Yeah,
and we have discount going on. So book and talk to us, and we can give you a discount. If you want to stay for 1 month, we can give you a discount for that. So we have a 1-bedroom Airbnb, and we have a studio apartment Airbnb, and 2-bedroom Airbnb. So book with us, reach out to us if you want a discount. You see the price online, and we can give you a better discount if you plan to stay a month or almost a month. From 3 weeks up, we can give you a discount. You understand? Private chef is here, Ricardo, aka One Love Africa. I will be your host. I will be here cooking for you guys. I will make sure everything is right. And for those who's asking about the land video, who want to see more properties and stuff, it's coming on. I've been busy doing this Mother's Day event. You already see what's going on. If you do not see, go to One Jam Tour channel and watch. You can see the whole Mother's Day event right here in Kenya that passed the other day. Happy Mother's Day to everyone that come, and happy Mother's Day to those who is in heaven, because a lot of people lost their mom. So condolence for those who lost their mom and have to celebrate Mother's Day alone and in sorrow. Big up, peace, love and respect goes out to all of my people. My Yardi people, my Kenyan people, my international people. I love you all, because I want to show me a lot of love. And who's not showing me love and who have a beef with me, still show you guys love, because of unity we say. Please let us unite. One Love Africa. One. Wagwan.